Today we're looking at the 2024 Jeep Wagoneer L 4x4 finished in bright white. Under the hood you'll find a powerful Hurricane twin-turbo engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. For handling and performance, it comes equipped with select terrain system, track lock anti-spin rear differential, and single-speed on-demand transfer case. Safety is top tier with features like full-speed forward collision warning plus, blind spot and rear cross-path detection, and park view rear backup camera. Inside, the Uconnect 5 nav system features a 10.1-inch touchscreen display with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, keeping you connected. The cabin offers heated and ventilated Capri leather-trimmed seats, an Alpine 9-speaker system, and seating for 8, including a 60/40 power folding third row. With 18-inch satin carbon wheels, LED headlamps, and hands-free power liftgate, the Wagoneer L is built for comfort and performance on every drive. Visit whitesidecars.com, where your satisfaction comes first.